evening. We'll be hoping for a slightly better second period. Kaizer Chiefs fans have seen their sides advance on the continent, but in terms of league action, they are arrows at the end of August. They come into this game having scored 3 against fairly weak opposition in Kaizer Chiefs. So we will see the re-emergence player Pule Mori makes his entrance on the park. Vila Kaizer and Dylan Solomons are the 2 players that are sacrificed. Vila Kaizer will have to wait a little longer for his first Betway Premiership goal. I think those of an attacking persuasion when it comes to football. Or
comes in on this left-hand side, very good.
Brilliantly, and his goals this season for Lilepo, but 2 of those have come in the prelim stages. He has been the player tonight who's had the most opportunity, shall we say.
Yeah, all the breaks out from the first half on that left-hand side when he was combining with Shabas.
Strong running here from Mokwena. Feels as though he was impeded by a Brand cross. The referee doesn't agree. Mokwena fresh off an outstanding goal in the Carling knockout. Across. Mori. Back cross, Oxentetwa, Pule Mori. Looking to involve him as frequently as they can. Cross to Mori again. Chiefs have made a habit of drawing in the league recently, 3 successive draws. If they were to be, they draw 4 league games in succession since the 2017-18 season. It was towards the, should he be booked, and also not be available for that.
Jocelyn there, just tugging on Mutetwa's job.
Held back by Kamatuka.
He's getting on thin ice, Kamatuka.
Yeah. Look at the contrast in terms of fouls between the
team in the build-up. So wherever they are, they will cause a professional foul, and then they have to restart again. Ecuador, for me, who's done more job dropping deep than staying with the 2 defenders.
In from Mokwena. Easy claim for Brendan Peterson. Lilepo down under the challenge of Terence Mashiro.
This one, I mean, you look at Lilepo, it's like he was looking for it, you know, just extending that left leg off.
Durban City. Tug on Iguodala goes unnoticed. Jurgens hoists it forward for Kamatuka. Tetwa. This is Miguel. Malnobo. So that's what we were alluding to just a moment ago, Durban City in the quarter-hour period.
Reading one of the articles that Mr. Farouk was interviewed in, says he'd love to have the Friday nights back. I think he'll be very happy and excited.
From sides that are just inside the bottom half. Modi.
The Kaizer Chiefs players get to the 3rd, the decision making just collapses, because there for me I thought Shabalala could have closed the ball.
halves now that have been cautioned. Durban City have relied heavily on their home form this season. 67th game this season that he hasn't started. The man who's created more chances than any other Durban City player this season, along with Kwena. Meanwhile, Kaizer Chiefs.
With the introduction of Domingo, I think tripping Mokoena, and that was his last action before even getting booked.
So, it's been Ngobo departs and comes Tabutele.
Recovery of cover there just to track Shabalala and make sure that he doesn't get to the ball, but you see what he does. He cushions it for let the ball run up.
Away games. Victory here will actually work done by Inacio Miguel there. Work down to the right-hand side with Linepo. Spotting Shabalala in a lot of space here. And do Shabalala. Oh, that was hitting on targets. Darren Keats not required to.
Sometimes it just takes a root one ball behind the defense from Lilepo, and first touch brilliant from Shabalala, cuts inside to his strongest foot and wanted to find that furthest point. Sure that he puts his head to defend that ball.
Yeah. Right cross now into the book, so that's 3 of the defensive line that have been cautioned. Serino, the latest to make his way onto the park. Iguodala departing.
Oh, missed that.
This is Brad Cross. Feet and finding an outlet in the form of Serino, plays it in. Header off target from Lilepo. Of the position that they've done better. It's possible. Certain teams have to take points off of each other. Son Silva scored in back-to-back games, pre and post. Of Sipo Chain in terms of clean sheets this season. It's grandstand here at the Mobile Stadium. Domingo. Mapate. Oh! They've done it! Gavin Hunt brings the changes, but the flag.
Just wonder why Magawana couldn't just delay his run. But now, the celebration?
Let's spot them. Oh, chance for Kaizer Chiefs with Modi. Taylor, Modi again. Gets away from Cross. Let's see a thing. This time dispossessed before he can work the ball to Magawana. Serino. Taylor. Munyane in from Serino. Silva! Super sub! Winner.
Is that man who just scored the goal, that was his first touch in today's game. Exactly what he did against Golden Arrows. Coming in, finding himself at the right place, That ball set up very well on that right hand side. Look at Sereno. The first touch he takes, he knows exactly where to play it. And Silva making sure that he gets away from his marker. He tracked back and then went forward to connect with that ball. And he made sure that he plays to the furthest post of Kit. You look how he rises up and switches his head to find that far post. But what a ball played by Sereno. Right place where we always say, just play it in between the keeper and the defenders. And his takeoff made sure that he connects to that ball. Looking at the disappointed Kevin Hunt.
Now it's the second Betway Premiership assist of the season for Gaston Sereno. Minutes of additional time, 3 minutes rather left to play, 2 minutes have elapsed. Brad can't believe the call has gone against him. Clean sheet number 7 in the Betway Premiership this season, almost assured for Peterson and Chiefs. Run in the Betway Premiership comes to an end for Kaizer Chiefs. A 4-game winless streak is over. And this victory, whilst it will probably only be temporary, does take them into 3rd position at the moment. They've played a couple more games than the side they usurp in Orlando Pirates. Ever so close for Gavin Hunt. He appears to accept the defeat in the moments after the whistle has taken it very graciously. Lucky Mflati, what do you make of this 90 minutes?
For Durban City ground,